Caliper removal. Remove the two 14mm bolts from the back of the caliper. Lift the caliper and secure it to the suspension with a bungee cord. Do not let it hang by the brake hose. Pad and bracket removal. Slide the old pads out of the bracket. Remove the two 17mm bolts, holding the caliper bracket to the knuckle. Rotor replacement. Remove the two Phillips head screws from the rotor face. An impact screwdriver is recommended if they are stuck. Pull the old rotor off. Clean the hub surface with a wire brush before sliding the new rotor on. Reassembly. Reinstall the caliper bracket. Install new pads into the bracket, ensuring the wear indicator is on the inboard side. Compress the dual caliper pistons using a caliper compression tool or a C-clamp and an old brake pad. Slide the caliper back over the pads and reinstall the 14mm bolts. Final steps, pump the brake pedal several times before driving to seat the pads against the rotor.